If we decide, okay, we want to read this out, the next step is to use the readout selection, and that would be under Device. We click on Readout. Again, it's looking at the number of loggers connected, because you can't have multiple loggers connected to one computer. It happens that this is the one that we launched. We click on OK. This window gives us the option to either stop the logger or not stop the logger and read it out. For the purposes of this demonstration, we can stop it and we can read it out. The next window that opens is a file save window. This allows you to save the data file that we just created over those few seconds that we were talking to the folder of your choice, and that could be a network folder if this is a networked computer. For the purposes of this exercise, we will save this to the desktop. The next window is the plot setup window. Now, the plot setup window gives you the option to plot all of the channels that were selected in the launch or only specific channels. It doesn't change the data file at all. It just gives you the ability to look at individual data plots or all of the data plots that are available. So that would be up here. You can check off, again, we measure temperature and relative humidity. Maybe we're interested in dew point, which is a calculated value, calculated from temp and RH. We're going to click on that to select it so we can see that as well. The other window under here is events. What those are their little tick marks on the display or on the graph that indicate when the logger was stopped and the end of the data file. There are also other events available. If you did a triggered start, that would be indicated. You can also label the events in the during the deployment by pressing the trigger start button. But for this purposes of this exercise, we won't display those. We'll click None, and then we plot.